Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we are going to solve question 1, where we will have to find the first derivative of a function. Now we will start by rewriting 2 over x to the power of 2 into a simpler expression so we can apply the power rule later. And that would be 2x to the power of negative 2. Then we will bring negative 2 to the front and multiply it with 2x, and here we will also minus it with 1. Then we will rewrite it into a rational function which is negative 4 over x to the power of 3. Now on to the second part, which is cube root of 5x. I will rewrite it as 5x to the power of 1 over 3. And we will also apply power rule here, which means it will be 1 over 3, 5x to the power of negative 2 over 3. Then we will continue with chain rule, where we will multiply this with the inner function, with derivative of inner function, which is 5x. And its derivative is 5, so multiply with 5, it will be 5 over 3, 5x over negative to the power of 3. Likewise, we will also convert it into a rational function, which is 5 over 3, 5x to the power of 2 over 3. On to the third part, negative 7x to the power of 5. We will apply power rule, where we will multiply 5 with 7x and also minus it with 1. That will be negative 35 over negative 35 to the power of 4. Put all of this together, and the final answer is 4 over x to the power of 3 plus 5 over 3, 5x to the power of 2 over 3 minus 35 to the power of 4. Alright, moving on with question B. Here we are going to apply quotient rule, where the top part will be represented with letter U and the bottom one will be represented with letter V. Then we are going to find the derivative of U and V. So the derivative of U or U prime, that will be 2x minus 3. While for V prime, we will rewrite that as 4x plus 9 to the power of 1 over 2. Then we will convert that into rational function 2 over square root 4x plus 9, and we are going to plug that into the formula dy over dx vu prime minus uv prime over v to the power of 2. Now we are going to eliminate the square root here, and then we will multiply the square root on the bottom here with the numerator. And now we are going to multiply all like terms. So on this side it will be 8x to the power 2 and minus 12x plus 18x minus 27. And then on the right side that will be 2x to the power of 2 minus 6x. While on the bottom it will be 4x plus 9 multiplied with 4x plus 9 to the power of 1 over 2. Solve all of this, and the answer that we will get is 6x to the power of 2 plus 12x minus 37 over 4x plus 9 to the power of 3 over 2. And we're done.
So for question 2, we have to find two factors which are u and v. For u will be 10 bracket 2x square and v will be e power of x cube minus 9x plus 7. We have to differentiate u and v. So for u prime equal to z square bracket 2x square dot d over dx bracket 2x square. Then it will be sec square bracket 2 square dot 4x. Then u prime equal to 4x dot sec square bracket 2 square 2x square. For v prime equal to e power of x cube minus 9x plus 7. Then e power of x cube minus 9x plus 7. Then v prime equal to bracket 3x square minus 9 dot e power of x cube minus 9x plus 7. Then for f prime x, we have to use product rule, which is like this. Then the final answer will be e power of x cube minus 9x plus 7 dot bracket 4x dot sec power of 2 power square bracket 2x square plus bracket 3x square minus 9 dot tan bracket 2x square. So for b, fx equal to sin bracket x square minus 3x plus ln bracket e power of 2x minus 3 over 1 minus 4x minus bracket 1 minus 3x close bracket power of 6. So we have to differentiate it one by one. Started off d over dx bracket sin bracket x square minus 3x. So d over dx equal to cos bracket x square minus 3x dot d over dx bracket x square minus 3x. Then equal to cos bracket x square minus 3x dot 2x minus 3. Then it will be bracket 2x minus 3 dot cos bracket x square minus 3x. For ln bracket e power of 2x minus 3 over bracket 1 minus 4x will equal to ln e power of 2x minus 3 minus ln bracket 1 minus 4x. Then d over dx bracket ln bracket e power of 2x minus 3 equal to 1 over bracket e power of 2x minus 3 dot 2 e power of 2x. Then d over dx equal to 2e power of 2x over bracket e power of 2 minus 3. And d over dx equal to 2 ln bracket 1 minus 4x. Then it will be minus 4 over bracket 1 minus 4x. Combine it and it will be 2e power of 2x over e power of 2 minus 3 plus 4 over bracket 1 minus 4x. For number 3, d over dx equal to 6 bracket 1 minus 3x close bracket 5 dot d over dx bracket 1 minus 3x. Then it will be minus 18 bracket 1 minus 3x close bracket 5. So the final answer will be 2x minus 3 dot cos bracket e x square minus 3x plus 2e power of 2x over power of 2x minus 3 plus 4 over bracket 1 minus 4x plus 18 bracket 1 minus 3 x power of 5.
For this topic and question, we are finding dy dx using implicit differentiation for this equation. Let's break it down step by step. Before differentiating, we apply the product rules of logarithm to expand ln xy square. This split up into ln x plus ln y square, so it's much easier to work with. Now we differentiate. The derivative of ln x is 1 over x. For the next part, the derivative is 2 over y dy dx, because we are taking the derivative of a y variable with respect to x. Moving to the second term, for this term we differentiate the entire expression first, which gives us secant 5x plus 3y tangent 5x plus 3y. Next, we differentiate the expression inside the bracket, which has given us 5 plus 3 dy dx. For the right side, we look at the exponential term. Write back the expression first, which is 5 exponential power 1 minus 2y. Next, differentiate the power of the exponent 1 minus 2y, then we simplify it by multiplying by negative 2 dy dx to get negative 10 exponential power 1 minus 2y dy dx. The last term, negative 2x cubic, we simplify it become negative 6x squared. Before we arrange the term, we expand the expression completely to get rid of the parentheses. Now for the algebra cleanup, next we multiply both left and right side with xy to remove x and y in the denominator on the equation. After multiply, we change the position of the equation where any expression that has dy dx will be on the left side, while expression that don't have will be on the right side. Next, we factor out dy dx as a common factor from the left side, grouping everything else inside one large set of bracket. And that's it. By dividing by the large bracket, we get dy dx completely by itself to find our final answer.
Okay, question 4. Use linear approximation to estimate the value of this to 3 decimal places. Okay, first you want to make this a function, so you will do it by letting x equal to 1.1. Then you will get the function fx equal to this 3x to equal to this. After you got the function, now you will want to find x0. X0 is the nearest integer to x. In this case, it will be 1. And after you find x and x0, now you will find delta. Delta is x minus x0 is you will get 0.1. After you get all three x, x0 and delta, you will want to find the f prime of this equation. So first you will want to do fx, simplify this. So get that. Now you differentiate. You will get 1, 2. You just copy this back. You minus the power by 1, and then you differentiate the inside, get negative 6x. Okay, now simplify it. You should get negative 6x to and yes, this should be your f prime. After you get all this, you will put it into the formula. Formula x0 plus f prime x0 multiplied by delta, which will be If I'm correct, 28 minus 3 multiplied by 1 power of 2, and you will plus this 6 2 28 okay. After you get that, now you will calculate it. You should get 5 minus 0.6 multiplied by 0.1. The answer will be 4.94. But because it asks for 3 decimal, you just add 0 at the back. That's how you answer question 4. Thank you.